PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a commercial HVAC repair agency that specializes in offering commercial building owners in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania with repair, maintenance and installation services. Our technicians are skilled in diagnosing and repairing HVAC systems of all sizes, from small residential units to large-scale commercial buildings. We offer a wide variety of services and products that will help you maintain and improve the efficiency and function of your system. Contact our commercial HVAC repair experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What causes HVAC systems to fail? Some of the most typical causes of a central air system failure include coolant running low, air filters that are clogged or unclean, coils that have frozen over, or an electrical problem. How can I tell whether it's my thermostat or my furnace? The air conditioner or heater is not working. When you adjust the thermostat above or below the ambient temperature, you should hear a click and the AC or furnace should start practically instantly. What is your service area for the Bryn Mawr office? Our commercial HVAC repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Bryn Mawr, Rosemont, Ardmore, Penn Valley, Gladwin, West Conshohocken, Narberth, Haverford, Wynwood, Roseglen, Ardmore, Villanova, King of Prussia, Lower Merion Township, and Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC repair office located? We are located at 850 West Lancaster Avenue, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania 19010. Our phone number is 610-424-6452. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Ev-Bryn-Mawr-HVAC-Service.